College bun fibro season 4 kijing tip nam tai khubor Laitkam te shwa bangan tip ini khubor Laitkam te wanam soi ya gane ka jingbom shai jong gane ka dur te yang ini pej mentai gine te gane ka depo Government of Meghalaya State Disaster Management Authority Lachumer mo gane ka office ka don hapo Lachumer te sa kiba kwa ban apply nam ta kane ban lek nam ta kane ka interview te sa lek hapo Lachumer office ka don hapo Lachumer sa wat hang tu te kane kadai ka walk interview kan mau ya kane la apply jadu khatway tarik Julai te mar ba kadai ka walk interview te ka tarik kanang biang ma walk interview for filling up of one post of Lda Cum Typist in contractual te kadai contractual basis will be held on 26 July kan mau kadai ar penderu tarik Julai te ka por kanang biang ma from 10:30 am to 4 pm in the office chamber of the Executive Director State Disaster Management Authority Meghalaya, Shillong, located at State Emergency Operation Center SEOC, Shillong. Te kane kadai tangkau post kadai contractual basis Lda Cum Typist. Te pinlek bi direct katukas ni ka interview kadai direct interview walk-in interview. Te qualification am ta kane kadai bachelor degree in any discipline with diploma in computer application. Vitamin depth ya ka diploma mau bachelor with diploma. Te ka tulip kadai khatsan hajar shibnai fix. Te kapus dia tangkau way ka age entry limit kadai khat paradu life r plus sans name kadai life ho news name nakamta PSCST candidate of Meghalaya. Te experience dan come at least 1 year in handling file work with computer knowledge and database kat kombakipan. Te hang ne apo longkomno applicants are to report 1 hour kan mau kibakwa ban late nam takane ka interview. Applicant are to report 1 hour prior to the scheduled time. Hablet shiganta haswa ka por bakilabo. After which no application will be entertained. Lara phile Islam ta kinam shimshu yagi application gijong pin marabakare ka direct interview. All certificate, testimonials, extra and original should be brought at the time of interview. Phabra lot tigi document gijong pi in original but photocopy su phaban penbiang. Te sakan mau kita kuat apply nta kane ya kane ki claim pen mi eru ki pen mi tang napo notice board ang te la tho notice board ki claim ai po website but claim ai po khubor ru te kadai tang contractual kadai direct interview te kitu ki ba kuat ban lek nam ta kane kapus te selek ka don kam ka tarik kadai 23 Julai ar jarap sau adu post tang adu sau baje kan mau den poi haswa kata kan ba khandai baje la ben poi no marki on 1 hour haswa jong ne shiganta haswa jong ka por bakilabo tangane ke nyum tip college bon